Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to access the print templates. Print templates are all the available printable forms for the practitioners to use in the practice. Doctors will use different forms depending on their specialty. Thus, not all the forms on the list will be available for everyone and some might need set up by GoodX. Please contact your practice's FCL for more information on how to add more printable forms to the list. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. On the Settings window, click on the Entity Settings tab. Take note that entity settings are set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. Next, click on the Print Templates panel to expand it. All the available printable forms will be displayed. The form name is the name of the available form, for example, General Examination, Script, Sick Note, etc. The print template option will either be set to the default template from GoodX or to a custom template that was set up for the doctor to use. If any changes were made, remember to click on the Save button. Otherwise, click on the Close button to exit the settings window without saving.